Could you tell me a little bit about the maintenance? And you said you're in the car industry, so what was the upkeep like for the next owner, just so that they don't have any surprises in terms of what it takes to own one of these?
So I had already purchased, when I purchased it, I purchased the prepaid maintenance on it for 2 years. I also purchased some additional warranties on the jet ski. So I would take it in periodically so they can check it and make sure everything is good on it. It has a brand new battery because for its sitting, the first battery wouldn't charge anymore. So I had to replace it into a newer battery just for sitting.
Hmm.
So it's been kept pretty well.
And just to confirm, this is salt water, right? Not fresh water?
Salt water. Correct.
Yeah. And what was the flushing routine, if you had any? Was that part of your maintenance that you would send it in for?
Actually, I did every single time we took it out on the water. We brought it home and we would thoroughly wash it and flush it in and out. So it was never put away dirty. And I always protected it. I think it was called salt off, that you spray it on the engine and all of those parts so it doesn't get salt on it.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks pretty. It actually smells brand new too. It has barely been used.
Amazing. That is really great. For somebody that's considering buying one of these used and they're spending a lot of money, it's great to hear that it's basically like new, and so they can save money on buying new and also get something that's really good value, which is awesome. And just to ask, like the next owner, there are probably things that the manual might not tell you when you bought it, but when you started using it, you kind of figured out eventually. Is there anything that you would just advise, if somebody was picking it up today, are there any quick tips you'd show them that, maybe weren't as intuitive? Maybe there's some storage compartment or maybe some maintenance thing that you would recommend that might not be obvious or you had to watch a YouTube video about?
Honestly, not really. It's very self-explanatory. It is a very easy to use ski. It's tremendously fast. I mean, the only thing I would probably have someone look into is the sport mode. I had no idea what that was until I put it into sport mode without knowing what it was, and it was ridiculously fast.
Wow. What's the top speed on this one?
I've never did put it to my top speed. So that's another thing. We took care of it enough. Nobody, it was just me most of the time, or my wife driving the jet ski, and we would not go maybe over 30 or 40, but it goes, I think, 80.
Wow. That's amazing. And you're selling it now because you just... Say that again?
That I'm saying that I did no modifications. It's some people add speed to the jet skis. We did nothing. So the ski is just stock how it came.